Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power delivery because most failures are simple. Plug the controller into a known good USB port on the console or a powered hub. Once done, check the cable visually and flex it gently to detect internal breaks. A hairline break may still allow intermittent power. Make sure the console is on and not in sleep. Quick restarts can reset USB subsystems. If the controller shows no response, swap in a different USB cable or port to isolate cable versus controller issues. Now perform a focused reset and inspection so you can tell where the fault lies. You should power cycle the console and then press and hold the controller guide button for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. Next, remove any battery pack or cover and look for dust or corroded contacts. Cleaning with isopropyl alcohol can improve conductivity. Then connect the controller to a PC or another Xbox if it powers on there. The issue is the original console USB port or settings, so you know what to fix next. Finish by choosing repair versus replacement based on your findings so you can get back to gaming quickly. If the cable is the problem, replace it or resolder broken wires using the same pinout. This often fixes power-only failures. If the controller still won't power and you see burnt traces or a blown fuse on the PCB, you can replace the fuse or consult a technician. If those options are impractical, swap the controller or contact support. If it still fails, the controller is likely beyond easy repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.